Vedantic philosophy is an ancient school of thought that originated in India thousands of years ago. Rooted in the Vedas, the sacred scriptures of Hinduism, Vedanta is a profound system of spiritual wisdom and understanding. Despite its ancient origins, Vedantic philosophy holds great relevance in the modern world, offering valuable insights into human existence, consciousness, and the pursuit of lasting happiness. Chapter 1: Understanding Vedanta. Of the Vedas and their significance. The essence of Vedanta. See the three pillars of Vedantic philosophy. Chapter 2: Core Concepts of Vedanta. Atman, the true self. Brahman, ultimate reality. See Maya, the illusory nature of the world. Karma and reincarnation. Jnana Yoga, the path of knowledge. Bhakti Yoga, the path of devotion. Karma Yoga, the path of selfless action. Chapter 3: Vedantic teachings and their relevance. A non-duality and interconnectedness. Transcending limiting beliefs. See inner peace and fulfillment. Harmony with nature and the environment. Social responsibility and compassion. Mindfulness and self-awareness. Chapter 4: Applying Vedanta in daily life. Self-reflection and self-inquiry. Meditation and contemplation. See developing positive qualities. Cultivating detachment. Overcoming fear and suffering. Nurturing relationships and love. Chapter 5: Vedantic philosophy and science. A consciousness in quantum physics. The mind-body connection. See unity of knowledge. Insights into the nature of reality. Bridging science and spirituality. Chapter 6: Vedanta and the modern challenges. Materialism and consumerism. Stress and mental health. See global crisis and ecological concerns. Ethical dilemmas and moral values. Finding meaning and purpose in life. Conclusion. Vedantic philosophy offers a timeless and holistic perspective on life, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and the challenges of the modern world. Its teachings guide individuals in understanding their true nature, fostering inner growth, and leading a purposeful and meaningful life. By embracing Vedantic principles such as non-duality, self-inquiry, and compassion, we can overcome the limitations of the ego and create a more harmonious and interconnected world. In a time of rapid change and uncertainty, Vedanta serves as a beacon of wisdom, offering valuable insights that can transform our lives and inspire a positive shift in society. As a whole,